Welcome back to Devashish Bora channel with another topic on how to apply for cruise line job in cruisecareer.in or the best website to apply for cruise line job. Hey guys, this is your host Devashish Bora. Welcome back you again with another fresh topic on cruise line job. So stay tuned to this channel and this video and watch till the last because I will tell you the complete procedure to apply for the cruise line job in cruisecareer.in. Now, the advantage of applying in cruisecareer.in is that there are 95 plus ships and 7 companies to get hired from, and the whole process is completely free and very simple and very minimal documents needed to apply. As the recruitment process is done nowadays through online, so you have to be little patient after applying because you will not get a call instantly after applying to certain kind of job, as the situation is not the same as used to be before 2 years ago because of this COVID. So you have to have little patience, and the applying process is the same in India as well as in other nationalities. So anybody can apply from any parts of the world in cruisecareer.in. So before proceeding to the screen, I would like you to request you to please do me a favor of these 3 things, as this will motivate me to make more such videos for you all. Open your browser in your mobile or in your laptop or desktop and type cruisecareer.in. The homepage of cruisecareer.in looked like this, and below down, if you scroll down, you can see there are various departments which you can apply for according to your qualification and experience. And if you go down below there, you can see hiring now, quick apply. Now what does it mean? That these are the positions are currently available in the site and you can apply directly from here. Now if you scroll down below, you can see how you can register for this Cruise Career site and how you can apply for any kind of job after registering yourself. Now there is one option called self-assessment or my assessment. My assessment is kind of like giving yourself one exam before applying for the final interview. I will tell you more about this in the later part of the video, so stay tuned with this video. Down below you can see few of the great personalities who have applied job from this Cruise Career and have put it their honest review. So without wasting any more time, let's register ourselves first and then we can see how we can apply for the job. Click on 3 dots and then click on sign up and then fill up all your informations and details here. After successfully fill up all your information and details, click on sign up, and then you will get a notification like this that you have successfully registered. Then click on OK. Now to get verified, open your email and there you can see one link is provided. Click on that. After clicking, it will take some time to reload it. So the page will reload like this and you will be notified as a success. Your account has now been activated. Now click on login and put your login details and then click on login. Once you successfully log in, the next page will look like this and it is called my dashboard. Here you can see the applied jobs is 0 because I have not applied yet. My profile completed only 10%, so I have to complete it all. The assessment is also 0 because I have not applied for any assessment. So before applying for any job, we have to edit our profile and click on the view or edit profile, and here you have to provide all your information like contact details, your address, your documents, your education or your work experience, and you have to upload your passport here also and one resume. Before uploading passport, read the requirements which is highlighted down below in a red color. While uploading passport and resume, you might face network issues, so have patience. Once you complete your profile section, you will get to see this kind of green tick or green mark in each section, so make sure you complete all your details and personal information correctly and properly. The reason here I am not showing you one by one because the process is completely same as we have applied in other cruise line jobs in my other videos. So after completing all your profile section and uploading your documents, we will log in again and we will apply for the job now. Once we log in, the next page is look like this in my dashboard. Here you can see I have applied already one job. This one is done because of the example purpose for the tutorial video, and my profile is completed, so it is 100%. Now you can apply jobs in 2 ways. The one which is currently available in front of you, or you can simply search in a search bar and you can apply there. So let's see how you can find your favorite jobs in a search bar. In search bar you have to write your department name or the section you belong from. Just like me, I belong from kitchen, so I have written chef. In a chef section you can see there are plenty other departments are there. So to show you some tutorial video, I will select one section like chef pastry. The chef pastry, the jobs is available from Costa Cruise Line, so we have to click on this chef pastry now. After clicking on chef pastry, you can see the date posted. This job is on 2019, so it's quite old job posting, so this job is might not available. So how you can understand that this job is available or not? Just scroll down below, and before scrolling down you can see the requirements needed for this. So this kind of requirements will be there, so read it properly. You can see there apply for this job. This section is written in like blur blue. It is not completely blue, so if it is completely blue, it means this job is available and you can click on that, or you can notify the job available later. You can click on that also, so you will get notifications just like I click it now, or you can refer this job to your friend, just like you can see one notification came. So now let me show you how you can apply job which is currently available for you. So let me click in any of the section like junior inventory controller. So in this junior inventory controller, this is provided from Carnival. So click on the junior inventory controller. Now you can see the date posted. This job posted on 2021 July. So this job is quite new, and I guess this will be available. So let me scroll down below, and before scrolling you can see the duties included, so the requirements you can read it there. So let me scroll down below, and here you can see apply for the job. It is written in blue tick mark, so you have to apply it. But you can see one notification came because I have not completed my documents yet, because this video is for tutorial purposes, so I have not given my all information there. So guys, this is how you can apply your jobs, or you can get your favorite jobs in two ways, either from search bar or the jobs which is available currently in the explore job section. So now let's see how we can do our self-assessment before final interview call. The self-assessment is done before the final interview, and if you remember, I have told you before the video start that I will show you in the later section of the video. So click on my assessment. Once you click the next section, you can see the current assessment and self-assessment. So click on self-assessment, and you can see two jobs I have applied. As my department is Galley, but I have applied one more job in DEC and technical, but this is only for the tutorial purpose because my department is not from engine team. So let me scroll it right side to show you where we can do our self-assessment. So here you can see the complete date is blank, assessment duration is also blank, status is also not complete. So let me click on launch section. Once we click on launch section, allow the camera to click your photo or the video, and here you can see the requirements which is written do's and don'ts before taking the test. The test is basically of sample test like questions, and few questions requires listening of the video. So you have to apply your earphone, and everything is written in this section, so you have to read it carefully. Once you read this whole page, then click on tick box and click on start test. So guys, you have seen how it is so easy to apply in cruisecareer.in. So if you like this video and this content, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries or suggestion, please mention below in the comment section box. Till then, stay safe, take care, Jai Hind.